Okay, now members, we have another case of a plane, how to get a equation of a plane. Now this time, it's going to be case 4, where we are given a point in a line, I mean in the plane, and also a line in a plane. Now the idea is very simple. By the way, sketching, always sketch. Sketching will make you see things in a 3D. Now, you know, if you are used to the product, you need a normal. And to get a normal, we need two parameters. Now, if this line is in this plane, it means that first of all we have the first parameter, which is this. Now I need the second. But now, because this line is in this plane, it means that also this point on this line, this is the point of this line, it's going to also be in this plane. Meaning, to get, and also this plane is having already a point which is here. So meaning that this point is here. Meaning, to get the second parameter, I need to just get these two and I get the vector between them. So if I get the vector between these two, I'll be having another parameter in the plane. So if I get the point on the line and I get a vector between a point on the line and a point in the plane, I'll be having a second parameter which I'll be calling U2. Now, if after getting these two parameters in the plane, if I cross them, now I'll be having what we call the normal. And the idea is as simple as that. Now, from here I start minus 1 is already 1, negative 1, 1. Then I need U2. But because I have 2 points in the plane already, so it means that now my U2 will be, I'll be having now N. So I'll be having this point 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, negative 2. And this will give me a 2, then negative 1, then it will be giving me a positive 3. Now from there, all you do, you get this minus this, so that you get a power vector between these 2 points. So 3, 0, 1 minus the point in the plane which was 1, 1. When you subtract, you get 2, 0 minus this, you get that. And then 1 minus that, you get that. Now from there, you come. You know that to get your normal, you cross these 2 parameters. So now your normal is going to be U1 cross U2. Now to cross them, of course, you just put my 1 is there. 1 negative 1, 1. I'm crossing it with U2, which is. Now let us cross and see. If I cover the first row like this, you start remaining with this times this to be negative 3. Now, okay, let me do it in one side. So this time this will be negative 3, we get a terminal, then minus this and this, which will be also negative 1, which will give us a negative 2. So negative 2, the same when you come to I, you start with the negative, I need to do start with the negative. I'll be having now 3 minus 2. This will be 1, so negative 1. When I come to this, I have now negative 1 minus this and this, negative 2, which will give you a positive 1. So members, now my normal is that. So now my normal is negative 2, negative 1, 1. You can easily factorize out the negative and you take that power that. Anyway, or you can leave it, so we're going to work out itself. So now my n dot r dot a, so that my number is negative 2, negative 1, 1, x, y, z. Now a point in a plane. So you can take this or this n, but let me take this one as 1, 1, negative 2. This will be negative 2, this and this, minus 1, this and this, minus 2. So now what I'm having is a negative 5. Now to make this first be a positive, I divide it by negative 1. Here by negative 1 you get 2x. By negative 1 we get now plus y. By negative 1 we get z equal to 2. By negative 1 we get a 5. So members, the second approach, this one you try it out now, is when you use R equaling to A plus lambda U1 plus alpha U2. Now you have this one, you have this, and you have a point. So if you have now x, y, z equaling to a point you have, we said we are going to use 1, 1, negative 2, 1, 1, negative 2, then plus lambda, u1 was 1, negative 1, 1, then plus alpha u2, our u2 is 2, negative 1, 3. So remember, you can go on to use this, we have seen how to solve this. Now, I can give you the third approach of creating this number. The third approach is very easy, but it's not so common. All you do, you know that, anyway, let me leave you there. You try out this second approach. I wish you the best.